Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2015 Audi A3 Sport. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the S-tronic automatic gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 60 miles per gallon while producing 148 brake horsepower. The mileage on the car is just over 17,000 miles and has full service history with Audi. This particular colour is called Glacier White and looks in really good condition for the age of mileage. As we have a look inside, the original owner chose over £1,500 worth of factory options, which include the active cruise control, the Glacier White paintwork, as well as a reversing camera. A few features worth mentioning: you've got the pop-up display for your DAB radio and Bluetooth, and the car also has automatic headlights and wipers. But as you can see, you've got the nice interior there. The sports seats look really supportive, and you have the armrest there in the centre as well. As you open the tailgate on the A3s, you'll see you've got a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place. And you also have the adjustable floor with the spare wheel below as well. Externally, the car comes with the 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, as well as the camera that I've already mentioned. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty, which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.